Hey, good morning everyone. It's Mike Fisher from Finding Fish. Welcome to Antigua. I'm actually staying at the Yacht Club. We decided to stay at this little resort just because of all the points of interest in the surrounding area and the ease of use from the Yacht Club. It's June right now, and the temperature is probably around 25, 27 degrees. No humidity, a very light breeze. But this is what it looks like at 7 o'clock in the morning. Very quiet here right now. Anyways, just got up. I'm just gonna go check out the resort and see and show you guys what this resort has to offer. Now, I have to tell you, the foliage here, the resort, the layout, hey, good morning, is absolutely stunning. And obviously, because we're at the Yacht Club, we overlook the harbor, and this is the morning view. That ship you see there in the distance is called the Alfro Neil. I think it's called Neil. Anyway, that's a seized Russian vessel. The government here of Antigua seized it. Antigua and Barbuda, they seized it, and it's up for sale for approximately $80 million plus everything that's owed on that ship. Anyway, this is the view right from the front of the resort to the harbor. This resort is situated right in English Harbor, so you have everything within a 5-minute, 4-minute, 3-minute walking distance, whatever you want. A couple of restaurants are right across the street. We've been hanging over at the clubhouse a few times, and they have happy hour from 4 to 7, and I believe drinks are, I think they're $2 US for cribs and your rums, vodkas, vodka sodas, rye and cokes, all that stuff. I think they're just $2 US, so it kind of can get busy there for a couple hours. And then there's a fine dining up the street. It's a little bit more costly. It's got a beautiful view though. So this resort has 24-hour security, so you can come and go as you please. They make sure no one's coming in. This resort is very friendly. There's always a security guard at that post. So as you enter, you walk up to the left. And that's where you're gonna see reception. As you can see, there's no one here right now, but reception does, I believe, open at 7 o'clock in the morning. I believe they're here till about 10 o'clock. Now, in this little atrium here, their Wi-Fi is fiber, so the Wi-Fi here is actually excellent. And you can sit down at these little chairs. You can work, you can come here, you can have a meal, go get some takeout, chill, relax. They put coffee on at 7 o'clock in the morning with fresh cream, and they have teas. And as well as that, they have a little water station, so you don't have to constantly buy water bottles. You can come here and refill it up with either hot water or cold water and chilled water. Suited up, cleaned up. Now I'm gonna hit the gym. Now the gym here is beautiful. It's an amazing asset that this resort has, and it's directly across the road from the resort, and it's open 24-hour. The security guard at the resort gives you a passcode, and you don't need a key. You just enter the code and you walk through the door. It's absolutely amazing. We're just gonna go to the front into that little atrium and grab some waters. So like I said, directly across from the resort, you punch in a passcode, you enter, it's open 24 hours, and there's a great breeze rolling through here. You can add your own music. We haven't figured that out yet, but as you can see, it has a whole display of weights. It has everything you need to get your pump on while you're here on vacation, if you'd like to work out, and if not, you're just lounging. But very good gym, probably one of the best gyms I've had in the Caribbean. Totally functional, totally awesome. This is your view. Workout is complete. Now, like I said, there's a wicked breeze coming through here. This gym is just a gem. There's a beautiful breeze going through those slats, whatever they're called. It's perfect. It's low season, so Cloggies is closed until the high season approaches, but that's your view. If Cloggies was open, I'd probably be there every evening. It looks so cool. Well, check out these fish. I don't know if you can see them. Anyway, so on the first floor here, there's a place that you can get little drinks, and on the other side you can get food. Good, how are you? And then on the other side here, you can grab a little breakfast and some light food and some drinks. They have daily specials. It's quite busy. And the Dockside has liquor in the Dockside supermarket, which is totally convenient. If you need beer or drinks, food of any kind, canned food, lots of canned food, colas, waters, you name it, they pretty much have it. Cans of tuna. Dish soap, toothpaste, crackers, chips, dips, anything you need for your boat. And I have to say, reasonable prices. Like a can of tuna is $3.50 EC, which is probably about $1.25 US. That's actually almost cheaper than Canada. Rices, bagels, English muffins, shrimp, ribs, ketchups. If you need it, they have it. They've got garlic, onions, red onions, everything you can ask for at this little convenience store. Now, I'm gonna go back and show you my room. Now, one great thing about my room, it's got a king-size bed, it's got a bathroom, obviously, but it has a small kitchen, and it actually comes with some cutlery, some plates, a coffee maker, I believe a toaster. Everything you need to be able to function here for a short stay or a long stay. That's it. That's my room. That's my view. Thanks for watching Finding Fish. Mike Fisher coming to you from Antigua Yacht Club and the English Harbor Surround. If you're coming down here, you're gonna have a great time. Lots to do. It's gonna be amazing. Trust me on that. If you like this video, stay for more because I got more coming. See you in the next one.